The longer I thought about the vows, the more I struggled to put pen to paper. I kept thinking to trade vows is to trade promises, and I feel like in today's world, vows, promises, and commitments aren't taken as serious. This tradition has lost a lot of its importance to people. That being said, I'm making sure that isn't the case today. Thank you, Pop and Gigi, for raising the most amazing woman and opening your hearts to Sailor and I when you didn't have to. Seeing the amount of love and attention you give my baby girl means more than you'll ever know.
There's a line from me to you, and it goes back in time.
Today I choose you. Today I choose to continue the most beautiful life together. Today I choose a strong and powerful love created by God Himself. I choose you because if everything else I want in this life doesn't come, and all I have at the end of this life is you, I'll still be happy.
I already see you.
You already see me?
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Yeah, I recognize her.
I'm really proud of Taylor. We took a very unconventional road to get to where we are, but we made it. And along that unconventional path, I got the best little buddy that I could possibly ask for. I can tell you this, that as long as I draw a breath, I'll have your backs. To Taylor and Keith.
Taylor, all things I say today are my commitments for today until the end. I not only promise, but I surrender myself, my heart, and everything I am to you. I say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand, and side by side in the good and bad, I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile.
If I could tell my past self, who was standing in church that day, that just a year and a half later we'd be standing here, I'd have never believed it. But I think my heart has known from the very first day that it had met its other half. From that time, you have protected my heart, you have made me better, and you have proven your patience and provided unwavering love for myself and for my son.
I love you not only for what you are, but what you make me the best possible man I can be. I could thank you for loving me, but instead I want to thank you for showing me that I deserve to be loved.
I promise to be your strength when you are weak. I promise to guide you, support you, and stand beside you through every phase of life.
I could thank you for fixing me, but instead I want to thank you for showing me that I was never broken.
I promise to walk beside you as we continue to grow in our faith. I promise to pray for you and with you every day. I promise to love you every day just as much as I do in this moment.
I will love you, Rhett, and Sailor, and I vow to guide and protect this family in, day-to-day life in our faith and giving all the glory to God. I commit, I surrender myself, all my love to you and only you until God calls me home.
In the sight of God, family, and all these wonderful friends, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Keaton, you know what to do.
Why don't you come a little closer? I wanna feel your heartbeat beat. Why don't you come a little closer? You're too far away from me.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Keaton Barger.
Meeting Keaton, I could tell right from the start that he's a pretty darn good cowboy. But the thing that makes a good cowboy isn't necessarily the skill set that he has and how handy he is in those skill sets. What makes the skill set is that he's a man of honor, valor, and integrity. I could tell this young man had all of them qualities. I'm very proud to call him my friend because of that.
Why don't you come a little closer?